Hey, this is the DIY Magician. This is a quick tip episode, but a puppet edition. That's right, an easy way to make a puppet is to get a Build-A-Bear animal. In fact, I just found out from this Build-A-Bear puppet or animal in a store, they're all made the same way as far as I've been told. They all have an opening in the back, and that's where you fill. And the heads are all sealed. So there's a little dot of foam right there of the polyester material, but that's it. So if you want a quick puppet, you just get the empty character here, and you reach in the back, just like so, and you make a little puppet, just like that. I guess if you were to find these at stores, and I'm going to start looking for them, if you find these at stores, in the thrift stores, just break the seam open and take the stuffing out that somebody else did, maybe the heart or whatever they put in there. And again, just like that, you can have a quick and easy puppet from a Build-A-Bear animal. There it is, the DIY Magician's quick tip. If you've been with us before, thank you very much for being here again. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and you will get all the videos before they get posted. Thanks again.